everybody. I'm Dr. Liz Argiro, and I'm the speech pathologist here at Harrison Avenue.
Even though we call it speech for short, there's a lot of areas that speech therapy covers. We may be working on speech itself, which involves how we say certain sounds or how we use our voice when we talk. We can also be working on language goals, which involves making meaning from words, comprehending and using different forms of grammar, and using social language like eye contact or idioms.
In speech, we work on all of the different individualized IEP goals that we set for your child at their IEP meeting. If you have any particular question about your child's IEP speech and language goals, please feel free to send me an email. It's included at the end of the video.
Here in speech, we use a program called Class Dojo. Your children can earn points for things like working hard, showing kindness, being independent, and many others. They can use these points to cash in at my store for different prizes. If you hear them talk about their monsters or what they got at my store, feel free to praise and reinforce them. It means they've been doing really great work.